Hello students, welcome to our NEC Institute and today we will continue our unit 1, that is introduction. What is economics and meaning we have already done, and today in our video we will discuss about the scope of statistics. Scope of statistics is also means the subject matter of statistics. Scope means subject matter of statistics, means what we will study in our subject statistics. So for you people in your 9th and 10th class, you have studied about mean, median and mode, but since being as a commerce students, the scope of statistics is not only limited to finding the mean, median and mode. It is much more than that. So today we will study what topics are included in the scope of statistics and what are the topics which we are going to study as a commerce student. So let's begin. Scope of statistics. Nowadays the scope of statistics has spread to economics. Not only in economics it is required, but also in business, industry, physics, chemistry and various fields of knowledge. Statistics is required. Even at the news channel, in any of the subject, whenever we are talking about, we just talk about the data and numeric facts. So statistics is used there. स्टैटिस्टिक्स अफेक्ट्स एवरीबडी एंड टचेज लाइफ एट मैनी पॉइंट्स. हर फील्ड में आपकी स्टैटिस्टिक्स यूज़ में आती है. मैनी फील्ड्स में इसका रोल प्ले होता है. Scope of statistics can be classified into two broad categories. There are two broad categories. What are the two broad categories? First, statistical method and second is applied statistics. Subject matter of statistics को two parts में बांटा गया है. First part is statistical method and second is applied statistics. Statistical method are the methods used in statistics. First, we are talking about the first statistical methods. These are the methods which are used in statistics. So we have studied statistics in singular sense and plural sense. In singular sense, statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing and interpretation of the data. So statistical method includes all the methods of all these steps: collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation. For all these there are certain methods which we study in statistics. So according to Johnson and Jackson, statistical methods are the procedures used in collection, organization, summarizing, analyzing, interpretation of the data. So how many methods are there? Look at, there are five methods: collection of data, presentation, interpretation, organization and analysis. Collection of data, there are two types of methods: census and sample. You will study in next chapters कि आप census study कर सकते हो और sample study कर सकते हो, लिमिटेड इंक्वायरी कर सकते हो या ऑल ओवर कंट्री की आप या ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड की आप इंक्वायरी कर सकते हो. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हम डेटा को अरेंज करेंगे, टेबल की फॉर्म में करेंगे, असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में करेंगे, एरे बनाएंगे. प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डेटा में हम बार ग्राफ वगैरह बनाएंगे. एनालिसिस में हम मीन, मीडियन, मॉड, एवरेजेस कैलकुलेट करेंगे और इंटरप्रिटेशन में हम कंक्लूजन्स निकालेंगे और मैग्नीट्यूड्स को कैलकुलेट करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अप्लाइड स्टैटिस्टिक्स. सो अप्लाइड स्टैटिस्टिक्स क्या होता है? अप्लाइड स्टैटिस्टिक्स मीन्स the methods of statistics are applied in this branch of statistics deals with the application of the statistical method. नेम से ही पता चल रहा है अप्लाई हो रहे हैं. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिकल मेथड. वाई वी फॉलो दिस? टू सॉल्व द इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम. हम स्टैटिस्टिक्स के मेथड्स को अप्लाई करेंगे ताकि इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाए. तो अप्लाइड स्टैटिस्टिक्स भी फर्दर टू टाइप्स की है: डिस्क्राइब अप्लाइड स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड साइंटिफिक. डिस्क्रिप्टिव में क्या होगा कि हम पास्ट और प्रेजेंट के डेटा को साथ में रखेंगे सो दैट वी कैन फाइंड द कंपैरिजन करने के लिए हम पास्ट और प्रेजेंट फिगर्स को डिस्क्रिप्टिव अप्लाइड स्टैटिस्टिक्स में साथ में रखेंगे. और साइंटिफिक में हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल फाइंड आउट द मीनिंगफुल कंक्लूजन सो दैट वी विल find the solution of many problems, social, political and economic problem. So let me conclude. We are studying scope of statistics. Scope of statistics is divided into two parts. First part is statistical method and then is applied statistics. स्टैटिस्टिकल मेथड्स में आपके पास 5 होते हैं: कलेक्शन, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, प्रेजेंटेशन, एनालिसिस एंड इंटरप्रिटेशन. एंड देन आपकी अप्लाइड स्टैटिस्टिक्स 2 पार्ट्स की होती है: डिस्क्रिप्टिव एंड साइंटिफिक. डिस्क्रिप्टिव में हम पास्ट और प्रेजेंट डेटा को साथ में लिखते हैं सो दैट कंपैरिजन कैन बी पॉसिबल. एंड साइंटिफिक में हम स्टैटिस्टिकल मेथड को यूज़ करके कंक्लूजन्स निकालते हैं और गवर्नमेंट की इकोनॉमिक, पॉलिटिकल, सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करते हैं. नाउ वी विल डू सम MCQs क्वेश्चंस. लेट अस हैव अ लुक. The word statistics was first used in. The word statistics was first used in. The correct option is 1749. Number 2, the statistics is concerned with. So the options are the aggregate of numerical facts and aggregate of disorganized facts, aggregate of qualitative facts, aggregate of heterogeneous facts. So what is the answer? Aggregate of numerical facts. Next question. The major cause of emergence of economic problem. Economic problem की क्या causes हैं? Unemployment, scarcity, inflation या none? Scarcity. Statistics is used by government, businessmen, economist or all of the above. कौन use करता है statistics को? We have studied in scope that all are using it. So option is all of above. Statistics in singular sense, collection, organization, presentation या all. Statistics is the study of quantitative facts, qualitative, both or aggregate. It is the study of quantitative facts. Who used the word statistics firstly? Gottfried Achenbach. Resources to satisfy human wants have few, very few, alternative or none uses, alternative uses. Statistics in plural sense means numerical information या methods. So numerical information. Function of statistics to simplify complex facts, to make comparison, to help in interpretation. All. Statistics helps in all these. Basic economic activities, production, consumption, distribution या all. Applied statistics is descriptive, scientific, both A and B and neither. So applied statistics is both descriptive as well as scientific. I hope that you have understood these MCQs. Thank you so much. God bless.